As we made our way from Rijeka to Zadar along Croatia's breathtaking coastline, we discovered a string of picturesque towns, each with its own special charm. One hidden gem that really stood out was Rovanjska. This small coastal town is tucked between the majestic Velebit Mountains and the crystal-clear waters of the Adriatic Sea. Rovanjska is a true escape, where the rugged beauty of the mountains meets the calm blue sea. The town is filled with homes that showcase traditional Croatian architecture, perfectly blending with the natural surroundings. The coastline here is lined with private boats, gently swaying in the peaceful waters, hinting at Rovanjska's deep connection to the sea. Whether you're up for exploring nearby islands or just soaking in the quiet vibes, Rovanjska is the perfect spot for both adventure and relaxation. And then we reached Zadar. Zadar is a lively city on Croatia's Adriatic coast, home to around 75,000 people in 2024. This historic city is a major cultural and economic hub, known for its rich heritage and stunning coastal views. Walking through Zadar, you can't miss the iconic orange roofs that give the city its unique charm, a sea of terracotta against the deep blue Adriatic. Zadar's port is a hive of activity, with private boats and large cruises constantly coming and going. It's not just vital for the local economy, it's also a gateway for travelers ready to explore the Dalmatian coast. The harbour is dotted with yachts and boats, adding to Zadar's vibrant maritime culture. Just across from the coast, a series of hilly islands provide a scenic backdrop. These islands are perfect for those looking to explore beyond the mainland, offering a peaceful retreat with their natural beauty. City life in Zadar is surprisingly peaceful. There's little traffic, making it easy to wander through the city's historic neighborhoods at your own pace. The calm atmosphere, combined with the stunning coastal and island views, makes Zadar a perfect blend of city life and serene escape. Our journey continued with a visit to the Church of St. Donatus. Even though it was evening, the sight of this church was nothing short of stunning. This early medieval structure, dating back to the 9th century, is one of Zadar's most iconic landmarks. Its unique circular shape and towering presence make it a must-see. Built on the remains of a Roman forum, the Church of St. Donatus beautifully blends ancient and medieval influences. Today, it's no longer a place of worship, but a popular venue for concerts and cultural events, known for its incredible acoustics and rich historical ambience. As night fell, Zadar came alive. We stumbled upon an open-air concert near the beach, with people enjoying the music under the stars. The energy was contagious, making it a perfect end to a day full of exploration and discovery. As they say, travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape you. Our trip to Zadar truly captured that feeling, leaving us inspired and refreshed. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next video. Take good care of yourself. Bye.